blessing, not verse. Though, I say I want to see you before. You don't, I go see my sister for. I say I want to see you. Again, you should wait there at hand. Wait there. No problem. Not be problem like that if we settle and wait.
Okay.
This should be say, you know, say since when you don't call this as since then now. Some things they happen when we say when you never come, it never they happen.
What's the thing you're experiencing?
Now say make I correct. Not be anything like that too. This should be say, you know, say that our side, so that me and you the user. Okay. You understand? And some kind of thing one come they see. I not come like her. The kind shit one they see for that toilet. If another person will big pass you this house now, say na in they do. But the kind shit one they see for that toilet, all of them you're big now, your size they all big.
You're embarrassing me.
I they talk to now me and you they use that toilet too. As you they pay, that's why they pay.
Why will you say all this?
Why I not go talk? Somebody like me not feel do that kind of thing for that toilet. Now say make I beg you, I beg. If you go toilet, they flush.
No, you're embarrassing me. What's the meaning of this?
Madam.
I won't say this, please. It's okay. Understand what you are saying? That it's okay.
Madam, wait. I they talk to you. Go say me and you then they use there. As you they pay now they pay. Not come make this as the unbearable for me. Okay. Because the shit one they see there, as your size be. Now so the shit be.
Okay.
So now tell no say
okay.
now you
okay.
now they do. So waiting I come once now. It go there okay if I don't throw. You go the shit the flusher. If na visitors when they bring the do tell them say not be only
it's
the
okay.
Thank
you.
Okay. That's it. Big Daddy, they wait for you there.
That should be my uncle sitting down there. You didn't tell him anything.
Now so that they talk. They see makeup uncle. The different side of uncle that they see. They see tie. They see cheese uncle. They see Go TV uncle. Oh, uncle plenty. Which one be that one? But I give a chair make you sit down.
I ask you. What's it you hope so you don't tell anything now?
But I tell her I want to say. Uncle will be like many come they ask of you.
You don't have anything to do with yourself.
But you say now your uncle, not be your mama.
It concerns you with the relation and your uncle's sister.
No verse, so sister. I don't know say that can't the verse you. Now help I do.
As you don't have anywhere used to go, you are just nothing into my affair. For what reason? I just sent some money to me. No, this house is very unbearable for me. Only today's experience. Only today's experience, you'll be attacking me from all angles. When I come out, I see you. When I go in, I see you. For what reason? Are you sent to monitor my life?
No, so I don't know say that can't the offend you. Now, what I do, I see somebody come ask of you. I give her a chair and take away for you.
I don't have this time. No. Just keep your information to yourself. Keep it to yourself.
Okay, that's why you want to tell me that.
Mind your business.
Now you want to tell me
keep it to yourself.
Hey, now some people be my good dog will kill me I give you the uncle chair. Stay wait for her. This has no size me as to see. You see, no. No be say, Messi still give me one inside now say, Mother as you dey pop nose, all these uncle call their son to take one. People get bad neighbors. You don't even know say, Uncle plenty where they see Uncle baby dey Maybe now Uncle baby now I carry come. If the house they are bribeable for you, Sisi, Paco! Sisi, good afternoon. Madam, you dey go out?
Good morning. No? What actually again?
No, not you. I dey greet you now, not greet my neighbor.
What is the greeting all about?
I don't understand.
Don't you have something to do?
You dey call me jobless person.
Don't you have something to do?
I don't understand. You are insulting me.
Don't you have a family to take care of?
Who? See, I don't get family.
Instead of putting your nose to people's issues, don't you have something to do with yourself?
Wait, may I tell you, Sisi, may I tell you. Me want even talk to you now, self. I don't know, say you don't get that from me. Say me, I want to attack you. Me, I really attack you now. May I tell you, I want warn you. Those your boyfriend, whether they can't look for you, whether they walk out past my doormat, go enter your room. I don't know whether that's challenge. I also, you know, you go beg you. Tell them, if they just come out, carry broom, they sweep their leg, they throw away. I know, you see, I know they wear your ring, so I know they like all those kind of business, so Because I'm married to Jesus. You hear me so? So they do your business the way we go favor you. Not carry and near me. If they come, take their leg come out. I don't want me that they are sound. When they say enter your room, they near me at all. Because as I did so, no more they near my room. No talk and say they want enter. Now say me I tell you, because before you they get family to take care of.
That's what neighbors do.
Which neighbor?
That's all that they now carry people house put on top of my head. Is it your house? Do you have a land? Is it your house?
I go buy my own.
Is it money where they pay now they pay?
Yes.
So they put nose on my matter.
I don't put nose for your matter. I say you use the ass
No
way.
put nose on my matter.
Don't use my money, join your own.
Put nose on my matter.
Use your side.
No put nose on my matter.
You as far as you come this house, you don't want to make a rest. The peace one I get, you want to remove her. With all those your boyfriend, you go they boy they go. No one they ask of me. Now let you take this house.